Most people will stay broke their entire lives. And it's not because of the economy, their job, or where they grew up. It's because of their habits, mindset, and choices. They're stuck in a cycle, and they don't even know how to break free. Poor habits like impulsive spending, procrastination, and ignoring financial advice keep them trapped. Changing your mindset and making informed choices can set you free. In this video, I'm breaking down the real, harsh truths about why people stay poor and what you can do to escape that trap. Let's get into it. Let's be real. Most broke people don't actually want to be rich. They want to look rich. They crave instant gratification, the clout, the validation that comes with looking successful. So what do? They blow every paycheck on the latest Jordans, the new iPhone, eating out every night. They're financing a lifestyle they can't afford, putting themselves in debt just to impress people they probably don't even like. Listen, real wealth isn't flashy. It's not about showing off. It's about delaying gratification. It's about saying not yet to the things you want so you can have something even better later. Wealth is built in silence. Poverty is often loud. Which one are you choosing? Look, the real poverty isn't in your pockets, it's in your mind. It's not about the lack of money, but the lack of belief in yourself and your potential. It's the self-doubt, the limiting beliefs, the constant negativity that keeps you stuck. These mental barriers are far more crippling than any financial obstacle. You know the signs, blaming everyone else for your problems. It's easier to point fingers than to take responsibility, but this mindset only holds you back. Thinking money is evil or that rich people are greedy, these thoughts create a mental block that prevents you from achieving financial success. Believing you'll always be broke because that's just life or that's how I was raised. Stop making excuses. Your past does not define your future. You can rewrite your story. Every day is a new opportunity to change your narrative. But it starts with changing your mindset. A positive mindset is the foundation for a prosperous life. Feed your mind with wealth. Read books, listen to podcasts, find mentors who are where you want to be. Surround yourself with positive influences. Shift from victim to creator. Take control of your destiny and believe in your ability to create change. Ask yourself, what can I do to change my situation? Focus on solutions rather than problems, instead of dwelling on why it's so bad. Negative thinking only perpetuates the cycle of poverty. Set clear goals and visualize your success. A clear vision helps you stay focused and motivated. Take consistent action towards your goals. Small steps every day lead to significant progress over time. Celebrate small wins to build momentum. Recognize and reward your progress to stay motivated. Practice gratitude and positive affirmations daily. These habits reinforce a positive mindset. Embrace a growth mindset and keep learning. Continuous learning opens up new opportunities and possibilities. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. The people you associate with can either lift you up or drag you down. Reflect on your progress and adjust your strategies. Regular reflection helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Remember, the journey from a poor mindset to a wealth mindset is ongoing. It's a continuous process of growth and improvement. Stay committed and watch your life transform. Your mindset is the key to unlocking your full potential. Chapter 3. We spend years in school learning algebra, history, even how to dissect a frog. But when it comes to managing money, most of us are clueless. We were never taught how to budget, save, invest, or use credit responsibly. So we end up making adult money with a childhood understanding of how it works. No wonder so many people are drowning in debt. But here's the good news. It's never too late to learn. YouTube, books, free online courses, there are endless resources available. Invest in your financial education. Start with budgeting apps, financial podcasts, and community workshops. Because if you're not learning how money works, money will always work against you. Chapter 4. Look, there's nothing wrong with having a job. It provides stability, a steady income, and can even be fulfilling. But if your only plan is to trade your time for money, day in and day out with no end in sight, you're playing a dangerous game. The daily grind can wear you down, leaving you feeling trapped and unfulfilled. Living paycheck to paycheck, no side hustle, no investments, no long-term plan. That's not security, that's a recipe for disaster. Financial stress can take a toll on your mental and physical health. You need to build something for yourself, something that can grow and provide for you in the long run. Use your job as fuel, not your prison. Start a side hustle, create a digital product, or even explore freelance opportunities. Invest in the stock market, real estate, or other assets that can generate passive income. Learn a high-income skill. There are so many options. From coding to digital marketing, the possibilities are endless. Don't let your 9-to-5 define your future. It's just one part of your journey. Take control and build your own path. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Consider starting an e-commerce business. Selling products online can be a lucrative venture. Or creating content like writing a book or starting a podcast. Share your knowledge and passion with the world. Network with like-minded individuals and seek mentorship. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Set clear goals and celebrate your milestones. Each step forward is progress. Remember, financial freedom is about creating a life you love. It's about having the time and resources to do what truly matters to you. Chapter 5. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This means that the people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your mindset, your habits, and ultimately, your success. Look around you. Are your friends and family talking about growth or gossip? Are their conversations filled with ideas and opportunities? Or are they stuck in a cycle of negativity and complaints? Are they investing in themselves or wasting their money on things they don't need? Do they spend their time learning and growing? Or are they caught up in mindless activities that add no value to their lives? Are they encouraging you to level up, or holding you back? Do they celebrate your successes and push you to achieve more? Or do they discourage you and make you doubt your potential? If you're surrounded by broke energy, it's going to be a lot harder to escape that cycle yourself. Negative influences can drain your motivation and keep you stuck in a rut. You need to surround yourself with people who are going places, who are hungry for more, who push you to be better. Join online communities, masterminds, and professional networks that inspire and challenge you. Groups that are focused on growth and abundance. Engage with those who have a positive outlook and are committed to personal and professional development. Elevate your circle and watch your life elevate with it. When you surround yourself with high achievers, their energy and drive will naturally rub off on you. Take the story of Sarah, who joined a mastermind group and saw her business triple in a year. She found herself in a supportive environment that fostered her growth. Or consider John, who left his negative circle and found a community that helped him achieve his fitness goals. His new friends motivated him to stay on track and reach new heights. Surround yourself with positive, growth-oriented people and watch your life transform. The right environment can make all the difference in your journey to success. Chapter 7. Networking is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. It's not just about who you know, but who knows you. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and connect with like-minded individuals. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll have. Remember, your network is your net worth. Invest time in building meaningful relationships, and you'll see the benefits in your personal and professional life. Take control of your financial future by expanding your network. Start today. Reach out, connect, and grow. Your future self will thank you. Health isn't just about money, it's also about health. You can't enjoy your wealth if you're not healthy. Invest in your physical and mental well-being. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious food, and take time to relax and de-stress. A healthy body and mind will give you the energy and focus you need to achieve your financial goals. Remember, health is wealth. Chapter 9. Continuous Learning. Gap 3S. The world is constantly changing, and to stay ahead you need to keep learning. Invest in your education, whether it's through formal schooling, online courses, or self-study. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and never stop learning. Your future self will thank you. The harsh truth is, staying broke is a choice once you know better. If you're watching this, you do know better now. So what are you going to do? Drop a comment below. What truth hit you the hardest? Subscribe for more Blueprint content, where we keep it real, we level up, and we break generational cycles together. Forward ever, backward never.